In this video, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to sew a perfect George. George is the attire used alongside a T-bow. So guys, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is to arrange the George on the table. This particular George came with an extra net. So this is the George right here. I'm going to measure it. It's 1 yard. Then you repeat the process until you are done taking the complete measurement. So this George contains 2.5 yards. So for 2.5 yards, we don't need to cut anything out of it. Assuming it was longer than 2.5 yards, let's assume 6 yards or 5 yards. We have to cut it into 3 yards. So right here, we arrange the George on the table like this, and then place the net on top. Because I don't have extra space, that's why I'm using the table to make this illustration. So I'm done arranging the George. We'll arrange the net on top too. You can see that the George is scanty, but with the extra net it will become more beautiful because of the stone design on the net. George is usually arranged like this while tying it. This is the right hand side. You arrange it like this. This is the left hand side. So the left hand side goes inward, the right hand is placed on top. You can see that George is scanty, not enough stone design on it. That's why it has the extra net that you use to cover it up and bring out extra design. We are going to arrange the net like this. For the right hand side, 11 inches will be outside from the net. So you can see me arranging it. The net will be outside with 11 inch on the right hand side. Then you are going to stitch the top. So right here, this means stitching the top after arranging the 11 inches forward on the right hand side. The major reason why you are allowing 11 inches of the net to be outward on the right hand side is because you want it to overlap by the time you tie the George. Once you get to the edge, you stitch. Then for the left hand side, you will notice that the material or the net will not cover the material. You also have extra 11 inch for the George material where the lace or the net will not cover. We are going to sew it straight down to the end. Also be mindful of the stone while sewing. Make sure you remove them in order not to break your needle or spoil your machine. If you find this video helpful, do well to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also share the video for others who will benefit from it. I have other similar videos on how to cut and sew a tibo or urubu attire, then also how to cut and sew a flap or a senator attire. So do well to check my channel.